खुकुरीको औकात भुलाउने तेज धारिलो छुरा होस्, सम्झना बन्नु हरेक मनको चारैतिर तिम्रो कुरा होस्। कमी यस्तो बन्नु है तिमी विकल्प नहोस् जसको, खाँचो यस्तो नबन्नु कहिले जुन सजिलै पुरा होस्। खाँचो यस्तो नबन्नु कहिले जुन सजिलै पुरा होस्। थ्याङ्क यू। हुन त मेरो थिएन, बाबाले सुनाइसक्यो। यहाँको धेरै मान्छेहरूबाट मैले यो कुरा सुन्छु, हामी त बुढो भइसक्यौँ भन्ने। अनि यो चाहिँ यहाँहरू सबैजनाको लागि हो। यसको टाइटल चाहिँ एजलेस। You are ageless. And by ageless, what I mean is an oak tree, not too big in size such that it intimidates you, and not so little such that you may not even notice the tree. The leaves aren't as mild-colored for you to undermine, nor so bright as to hurt your eyes. The oak tree has weathered life's different storms and taken on, headfirst, rainfalls, snowfalls, hailstorms, and hurricanes with the utmost defiance. The tree knows the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves and the smell of the earth after the rain, and the weight of the children sitting on its branches. The tree has its deep roots, sharing different affinities with the other trees. The tree has rather tragically lost all its leaves, and yet again gained rather beautifully new leaves of different shades. There's so much this tree knows, and there's still so much this tree knows not. The morning sun rays will soon arise from the horizon, lighting up the demeanor of the tree forevermore, and forevermore, and forevermore.
हरेक बुधबार साँझ 6 बजेदेखि मात्र ब्राभो क्याफे एन्ड बारमा।
The title of this one is Alien and Gods. बुझ्न अलि गाह्रो हुन सक्छ, सो ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुपर्छ होला। धन्यवाद। The way humans have always believed in aliens, the way humans have always tried to reach out to them, it goes to show how insanely lonely we've felt in this giant space. In this giant space where, in all this time we've evolved and grown, all we wanted was some company, after all. All we wanted was to know that we're not alone. And now we have these crazy alien stories that children share during lunch breaks, these stories that adults laugh over their commute back from work and whatnot. We all have something to say about these aliens, and many of us believe in their existence rather fiercely. And it is tender, oh so tender. As for me, I think that I got so tired of being alone, drifting through the same time and space all by my lonesome. Sick of my own self that I made up my own aliens. These aliens I call friends and family, co-workers, acquaintances, and strangers. And I made every single one of them so I could function and thrive without the aloneness weighing me down. But as fate would have it, everyone else seems to be functioning but me. What's worse is, this whole time that I was so caught up in my existential angst, I never stopped to realize that I have become more alien than they ever were. My aliens have become more human than I ever was. I built up a world of magic because my reality was in fact tragic. Today I see a beautiful wasteland where some humans are holding their lovers' hands. Some humans are slicing their enemies in half. And I watch it all with a dejected apprehension, tilting my head to the left with my gaze tuned out, and my body paralyzingly numb. My greatest strength was my imagination, and in the end became my greatest tragedy. अब चाहिँ एउटा सानो शायरीबाट सकौँ है। पहली बार जब किसी शायरी की किताब उठाई थी हमने, लिखा था उसमें, दिल नाउम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है, दिल नाउम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है, लंबी है गम की शाम मगर शाम ही तो है। हम भी सोचते थे उन दिनों, कभी मिले तो पूछे फैज से, यार और कितनी लंबी है ये शाम। फिर एक रोज पता चला ये शाम तो अभी भी नहीं गुजरी, मगर फैज खुद कब के गुजर गए। वैसे आजकल लगता है ये शाम गुजरे या हम, ये शाम गुजरे या हम, बात तो एक ही होगी शायद। थैंक यू सो मच।
हरेक बुधबार साँझ 6 बजेदेखि मात्र ब्राभो क्याफे एन्ड बारमा।